Hey, Mick from Sydney, Australia. So I'll do a quick little review on a folding knife that I've shown a couple of videos on it, but I guess nothing in detail. It's the Maserin 440 steel, stainless steel folding knife. Beautiful wood handle. Great skinning knife, to be honest. Even a great bushcraft knife. Very heavy duty. It's got a solid locking mechanism. I mean, this blade is not moving. There's no give and take at all. Actually, that was like a kind of brass colour, but I noticed it was wearing away, so I've got some what do you call it, brasso steel polisher, and basically polish that up a little bit, even the blade a little bit. So a few specs on this knife. So it's a Maserin Safari Backlock Folding Hunter, MS780CO, handmade in Maniago, Italy, if that's how you pronounce it. 3-inch blade, 440 steel. The scaling is collar bolo handle, and that's all I know about it, to be honest. It's just sharp as buggery. I mean, I've shown you a few videos where it just goes through some hairs. So do I have much hairs here? Let's go there. Oh, I don't have that much hair, but But for me, if it shaves hairs off your arm like that, it's sharp. Okay, so great knife. The sheath, it didn't even come with a sheath, so I have to buy the sheath from the gun shop, but it fits in there. Got a belt loop, so no problem about that. I guess a bit of test, paracord. I'm not going to even slice it, I'm just going to push it, okay? Just straight through, sharp as. I've got some whippersnipper cord, which is always hard to cut. Again, I'm not going to slice it, just going to push it. So if I get this right, yeah, straight through, not even any friggin' pressure. Leather, straight through. Feather sticks. I mean, this thing makes the finest feather sticks. I don't even have to slice, I'm just pushing. I'll cut that off, get rid of that. Beautiful feather sticks there. Yeah, if I wanted to, if I sliced, and there you go, you've got your curls. Even easier. So there you go, feather sticking, no problem. Look at that, cutting through chunks of this wood, man. Look at that. Just friggin' goes through it like butter, to be honest. Great knife, love it. I want to use this for bushcrafting, but I only want to use basically from here to there. From here to there it's more I want to use for skinning. So I'm trying to just use from here to there for bushcraft and there for skinning. Using a ferro rod or fire steel does nothing, but it's got that little groove part there. I don't want to touch the blade, but by using that, hold on, what's going on here? There you go. It sparks some it lights up some sparks, but not that I want to use spark a fire steel with this. I'd rather keep it purely for hunting, skinning and bushcraft, but if I had to I could use that. I don't know what else I could do. I guess the good old paper test. Okay. And mind you, this came out of the box. I haven't even touched it. I haven't even sharpened it at all. To be honest, I'm pretty scared. I'm pretty shit at sharpening, so what's going on here? So I dare not want to touch this at all, because I'm pretty sure if I try to sharpen it, I'll be blunting it. Try another piece of paper. What's going on? I mean, you can see it's sharp. I mean, I don't class a paper test as a sharpening test. I class a cutting my hairs off my arm as a sharpening test. So, I don't know if I can show that again. Do you see hair? Yeah, there's no hair. So, there you go, fellas. The Maserin fold-out knife. Maserin, sorry, made in Italy. I paid about $98, I think, for it, and that wasn't including a sheath. So, pretty pricey fold-out knife, but you know, I believe it's worth its money. I mean, it's sharp as. I love it. It's a nice thick blade. You know, it's a good 3 inches. Locks in very heavily, very sturdy. You know, it's a pretty heavy knife. I think it's 0.500 pound, I think it is, which I think is about 200 and something, 250, maybe 240 grams. But yeah, great knife. I'm considering wearing this as a part of my everyday EDC. Probably on the back here, probably on the back there. I mean, I carry my multi-tool, my Leatherman Wave, but this will definitely be on my person when I'm out hunting. So there you go.